Hey, good morning. So in this video, I want to share with you how to earn your sleep. You might be thinking, what? Earning my sleep? Yes, there is such a thing about earning your sleep. But before I get into how to earn your sleep, in case you don't know who I am, my name's Francois. I'm the founder and chief medical exercise specialist with the Other Pink Leg. All right. So, like I mentioned in a couple of videos before, my focus for the month of May is about to help with recovery, to help with sleep. Even if we're living with a chronic health condition or medical health condition, we're always searching for better sleep. So, you know those nights when you slip into bed and the sheets feel so good? Your body's tired, your mind is calm, and you're perfectly set up for a great night of zaz, of z's, of sleep. However you want to say it. It's the best, right? And then there are those nights when you go to bed and you just can't get comfortable. Your muscles are tight from sitting all day. Your mind can't seem to settle down, and it may take or seem to take forever to fall asleep. And when you finally drift off, you toss and turn all night long. Oh, so not fun. But there's a difference. And let me share that difference with you. The difference is that the nights that you fall asleep easily usually follow days you did something to earn that sleep. Yeah, let me say that again. That the nights that you fall asleep usually follow the days you did something to earn that sleep. So what is that something? When you think about sleep that way, maybe it makes it a whole lot easier to set yourself up for that sleep success. So if you don't make it a point to be physically active and or you sit in front of a screen, granted, I'm in front of a screen right now, right? And we're in front of a screen often. However, if we're there for most of the day, we're making it harder for our body to get into a good sleep groove. So, how to earn that sleep? I got a couple points for you just below. So, I got a handful, I'll say. All right. So, the first one is about be active during the day. It doesn't mean 3 hours in the gym. No, not at all. But there's research that shows regular exercise doesn't just boost your health, it sets the stage for deeper sleep. So, yes, maybe if you like the gym or the exercise room, hit that. Maybe it's taking a brisk walk. Maybe it's find a reason to move and your body will thank you at bedtime. My second point coming up is train your brain. So what do you mean? So it's make it a habit to do activities that give you a mental challenge. It's not just on autopilot. Maybe it's looking at a new recipe. Maybe that will be enough to give us a mental challenge as well. All right, number three on my little handful list is release some tension. Help ease stress and work out the muscle tension with maybe some stretching, some mobility work. Maybe if you have a sauna at home or at the gym, hit that as well. My next point is about eating well. So it's really about giving the body the right nutrition and the right amounts as well of that nutrition, and really having a good water routine during the day so we function at our best. Next is when we can, is to go outside because natural light and fresh air can improve and help lock in our sleep cycle as well. Yeah, it can. So if you're looking at this list thinking, wow, Francois, that's a handful, it's only a handful, but I'm too tired to do all that. And yeah, how about this? I can help you get, I can help you find the best place to start because in my one program, More Energy, Better Help in 30 Days, this is where we work together to create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle. That may mean starting with a small 10-minute walk. I know with a couple of my clients with living with chronic pain, we actually start with 6 minutes. And it's 6 minutes most days. And actually, one gentleman, he's up to 6 minutes 4 times a day. So at the end of the day, he's getting 24 minutes in. Not too bad, right? So, yes. So we're not doing a total overhaul. It doesn't have to be that complicated. It just has to be consistent. And if you want to see if the More Energy, Better Health in 30 Days is right for you, send me a message either at deadpinkler.com. I have a contact page there on the website. Send me a direct message through the Facebook page, the the pink link, or just comment below on the YouTube as well. I'll take a look, see who sends me a message, and we'll figure out how to get you feeling healthier and more energized. And that said, later today I'll come out to share with you about more detail about that workshop I kind of was teasing about, but instead of teasing, I'm actually building this workshop. It's called the Better Sleep, Relax and Recharge Workshop. I'm going to give you a little bit more details later today. So I'll have another video coming out. All right. Until then, I'll see you in the next video later today, and then the one after that too. All right. Take care. Have a great day.